How to freeze a video on Alight Motion. What is up everybody? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through a step-by-step guide on how you can freeze your video on Alight Motion. But before we begin, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. First thing first, you're going to have to go ahead and open up your Alight Motion app and make sure that you're logged into your account. And if you already have an existing project, you could just start working on it right away. Or if you want to create a new project, then you could just go ahead and tap on this plus icon to create a new project. And once you do that, here you're going to have to select the aspect ratio of your project. So I'm just going to go ahead with the default one and then click on create project. Once your project has been created, then you're going to have to add your clip to edit it or freeze it in place. And to do that, you can tap on the plus icon at the bottom here and then click on media. Once you have imported your media file, what you have to do is tap on it and then play the media file. You just have to find a place where you want to freeze it. So let's say if I just want to freeze it on 3 seconds right here. So what you're going to have to do now is slow down its speed. To do that, you're going to have to click on this clock icon at the bottom left corner, and then a slider will appear on your screen. So using this slider, you can manipulate the speed of the video. So all you have to do is move the slider all the way to the left so that the frame freezes on its place. So if I just go ahead and start playing the video, as you can see now the frame has frozen. And once you are done freezing the frame, you could also go ahead and move this to your default position and then click on play again and it will start playing normally. So let me just show you guys. So go ahead and click on it, and once you move the frame to this part of the slider, it's going to freeze the video. So if I just go ahead and play it, it won't play anymore. And once you've done that, you can start playing the video again by moving the slider to the middle. But before you do that, you're going to have to split the video into different parts. So you're going to have to split the video. Go ahead and click on the video section and then split it like this. And once you've split the video, you're going to change the slider for both of these. First one, you're going to keep it on the left side of the screen to freeze it, and afterwards you're going to keep it to the normal so that the video plays. So once you've split the video like this, here you're going to keep the playback speed normal, and on the other one you're going to go ahead and change the playback speed so that it freezes. And that's how you do it. So if I play the video from the start, it will start playing up to the point and then it will start freezing, and that's it. There you have it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.